Okay, don't be scared. So I shampooed my hair with my favorite Tresemme shampoo. I shampooed it twice. Then I used the same Tresemme conditioner. And then I used this leave-in from Redken. I focused it mostly on the mid-length to the ends of my hair. And then I, of course, went in with a little bit of heat protectant. That's also going to help keep my hair smooth for up to 7 days from Tresemme as well. So now I am going to detangle my hair, this wide tooth comb. I'm going to detangle it gently, and then I'm going to let it air dry so that I don't have to put a high amount of heat on it. I'm going to detangle it, let it air dry, and then I'm going to come back and show you guys how I blow dry it. And then, oh wait, the TV's on. Sorry, I was watching TV when my hair was drying. Okay, so my hair is completely dry. So I'm gonna split it now into 4 sections and then pin up each section and then blow dry each section. So I'll just speed this part up. You guys know how to split your hair in 4 sections and pin each section up. Of this Moroccan argan oil in my hair, just on each section, just a little bit, just comb it through, and then I'm going to start blow drying each section of my hair. Now the blow dryer that I use is this Revlon Ionic blow dryer. So it's really safe and it's really good. And I usually keep it on low and I start from the ends and work my way up to the top. And you guys will see the finished result. I'll probably speed up most of these parts because you guys will see how I blow dry each section, and then I'll just speed it up. Okay, now I gotta take a thumbnail picture, so I might take a light. I'm gonna take one. Hold on. I'm also gonna speed some parts up since it's gonna be repetitive. So I'm gonna start with the back. See? Looks just like this. Nice and straight. Somebody whispers I need this. I will do anything just to make you see. Don't apologize for what's in your dreams. Maybe this time will be different. It's only us. It's only us. It's only us tonight. Okay, so the back of my hair is done. Whew, the back is always like the hardest part. Let me show you guys how it looks. I'm gonna try and turn it around. I hope you guys can see. Now I'm gonna turn back around. And now I'm gonna show you guys a little bit more on the front of my hair since it's easier to show. I'm gonna spray my hair with some spray because, you know, blow drying and heat and all that stuff usually will sometimes, not sometimes, but what it does is it makes the hair dry. So I usually like to use a little bit of a shine spray or something, just a little bit, and comb it through my hair so I can like moisturize my hair. And I'm gonna take a small section, not that much, and the rest back. Now this flat iron that I use, it's a professional flat iron. It's a Babyless Pro flat iron. It gets your hair straight in like one or two passes. Your hair is like bone straight. That's what I love about it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take it. I usually smooth my root, so that's what you guys saw that I was doing in the back. I smooth my root a few times, and then when the root is smooth, then I just pass it through my hair. That's it. One pass. Look, it's like straight. And then what I'll do is I'll focus on like my front part. You see my curly part? I'll focus on that when I'm done. And I just go on to the next section and do the same thing. Next section. Pin this back. Usually this whole process will take me about, this section I'm gonna do in two. It'll take me about a good hour, hour and a half. It can last me up to 4 to 5 days. Now, if you have hair that's like 3B, 3C type hair, or 4A, 4B, 4C type hair, then I'm sure that this will work. Just make sure you use a really good shampoo, a really good conditioner, and a really good leave-in treatment. Make sure, of course, that you protect your hair from the heat, which I always do. And then blow it out. That helps to straighten the hair so that you don't have, you don't have to do so much with your heat tools. It helps if you just kind of like blow it out on a low setting and then go in with a flat iron. You should be all good. A professional flat iron, a good flat iron will get the job done quickly. You see how fast I'm moving through my hair? That's because of the flat iron that I have. If I didn't have such a good flat iron, like, it would take me so much longer to do my hair. So much longer. And now I'm gonna speed this part up because you guys have probably seen it now a million times. This side of my hair. It's let me show you guys. And now I'm going to just do this side off camera since you guys have seen it already. It's just me combing my hair through, passing it at the root a few times just to get the root straight with the flat iron, and then just flat iron it through. So I'll do this part off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, my whole head is completely done. Finally, I'm done, y'all. I'm done. Anyway, so let me just show you guys how it looks. Okay, this is from the side. Sorry, don't mind my background. So, back. And now this part here is optional. I like to put extensions here in my hair. I shampoo them also as well, and basically I care for and maintain my extensions. I did a whole video on it. I will link it either in the cards or I will put it in the description box down below. I'm gonna make more videos once I get more extensions, but anyway, so I'm gonna clip these in my hair and I will show you guys the finished product, face beat and everything. So I will be right back. Okay everyone, so that is it. This is the final result. I love my hair. I can usually keep it like this if I maintain it for about 4 to 5 days before I do another hairstyle, because you know I love to switch up my hairstyles. But anyway, don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Give this video a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot. I really do appreciate it. Thank you to all of the new subscribers who are here. Don't forget to leave me a comment down below of any videos that you want to see. And of course, follow me on social media. Thank you, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye! Somebody whispers I need